now that we've gone over the PO and RA function keys and what they're used for or could be used for, I'm going to show you guys how to disable those keys in the case where you don't want to deal with that or your business doesn't use that system. It's a very easy process. So we're going to take your P key, which is already inserted into my register. You're going to go to the P position, program mode. And on this screen, you want to look at option 3, which is function key. So either go down with the arrow or hit number 3. Hit cache. It's going to take you to the following screen, and it's asking you to go through a function key or a macro key programming. Because PO and RA are function key, we're going to go ahead and go to 1. And it'll take us to the following screen, which is asking you to hit the button you want to adjust. So we're going to start with PO. And right now I want to focus on option 3. So as you can see, it says key disable. And right now there's a letter N on it, which represents no. So I'm going to go down to that, hit cache, hit up on my arrow, or FS10 up. And it's going to take me to a Y, which means yes. Hit cache, back to your function key screen. And now I'm going to go all the way back. Go to register mode, and when I hit PO, it's going to say inactive. This means that you can't use it, so you're all set and good to go. Let's go back to program mode, function key again. This time we're going to hit RA, and we're going to do the same for this. Go down to the third option, which is key disable. Hit up to hit a Y, and yes. Cache, and you're all set. Let's go back to register mode. RA is also inactive. You're good to go.